Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're gonna change the headlight bulbs on this Honda CRV. Alright guys, so these bulbs are pretty easy to change because you got pretty good access. That's your headlight bulb right there. This is another bulb there. There's one on the bottom there. And that's it. So the way to do this, you could do it a couple of different ways. Some people unplug it first and then they take the bulb out. I usually just twist it counterclockwise. It's a little tight. Okay, there you go. See? And then just pull the bulb right out. And then it's easier just to unplug it, okay? So to unplug it, you press on this clip and then just pull it right out. All right, guys, this is the bulb you need. You should, I don't have two of them. They usually sell them in pairs like this. Or you should change them both at the same time because they only last a certain amount of time. So if you're gonna do one, do the other one too. Always wear gloves when you're dealing with halogen bulbs because the oil in your hands gets in the bulb and it messes them up. So you got your new bulb, all you gotta do is plug it in and then put it back in. Again, you could put the bulb in first and then plug it in, but either way it works. So then twist it clockwise to lock it in place and you'll feel it lock in place. All right guys, to do the other side, it's the same thing. All you gotta do is get behind here. This is the other one. You have a little less access because you have this thing in the way, but the same thing. You reach in there, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out, and then you plug in the other one, put it in clockwise to lock it in place. Okay. All right guys, I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.